situation. We do apologize for the resurface delay.
She has that same bag.
Literally never used it though. Yeah, I've never used it. Like it's still like, but like I saw it and I was like, I really should actually use that. It's adorable.
I was literally in Las Vegas for work.
I didn't see it at all. And it matches your dress.
I would say,
Oh, that's nice.
I thought we were gonna see him and like, no.
I did the 5K and the 10K, and then he did the half.
And then
No,
a
I did not
marathon.
do the marathon.
I remember
did
we
the
did the
10K.
10K, yeah.
No, I'm not brave enough for a marathon.
Another mile worth.
Half marathon's my cutoff. What?
That's like a lot of work.
Sun in your eyes?
Oh, you was in that crowd of people then.
Yeah.
I had a feeling.
You believed.
Do you want your water? Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty?
So,
It's right here. We can walk it, Lisa. Yeah.
there you go. You just wanted some water.
Judah drinks water.
Everybody, this this morning at like 5:45. It's dark. The sun came up that I was heading back to Denver. What's that?
We are now stopping at Disney's Restaurant in Memorial Park. A Victorian-style hotel offering a modern dining and service full of the staff and the Monorail stop.
Because you can get it early without
Our next stop is El Paso,
They have truffle fries in my lake too.
Temporary Resort, and the transportation.
Yeah, they have truffle fries in my lake.
That's what's up with it, buddy.
I feel like this is cool.
And the doors will be closing soon. Please board safely. Our monorail will be departing momentarily. Thank you. This is our final boarding. Please stay clear of the door. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas. Welcome. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom. Hold on to the handrail throughout our journey. safety of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. We are approaching our station of Happy Days. And when it comes to the 6-speed plan for the Magic Kingdom, smoking is not permitted at Magic Kingdom, except in the designated area outside the loading room. If you are exiting,